Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I regularly post on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname as well. Good evening, today is November the 9th, 2012 and it's 7 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This is a review of the EURFX continuous contract, which you see on the screen. This is the daily chart, and the continuous contract is aligned to the December expiration. Today I'm recording this video late because I was not at my trading station. I was out of for errands. Anyway, we didn't witness a lot of activity here. The most important thing to notice is that we have final confirmation of this 127.37 level that was broken on the downside, and you will remember from my previous videos that I said that if this level would have been broken on the downside, then we could rule out the possibility of a leg developing from the 128.20 to 127.40 area, and so actually we can delete this line here. Now you will also remember that the last measurement we were able to identify on this market was the draw in having the resistance area located in 130.20 area, and there was also a short which had as a first target the 128.30 area, as a second target the 127.20 area as well. Now as I said yesterday, there would be three scenarios. One would have been bounce higher, the other one would have been a continuation lower, and there was a third scenario in which we would have seen a much higher bounce. Indeed, I believe program trading was not able to trade any of these bounces. The first one was dollar weakness after Obama re-election, and it materialized in the euro dollar as a spike higher. But as we can see, this was not a traditional setup, and the reason is the reason program trading was not able to trade this setup is that the front run to the 129 area is too big. So this was really short covering from retail, or let's say a response to hedging off, hedging on the US and world market indices. So if the trading program were not able to trade this, we were not as well. So and yesterday I also indicated another level of resistance, and this was the 128.05, 128 area, but again price came too far from this resistance area. So again, the program trading is not participating here, which bring us an important information that the anchor we have here, 128.87, is still a valid anchor. So I will draw this resistance level here, 127.90 area, and if price is able to come back to this level, let's say on Monday, and let's say Asian session of Tuesday's next Tuesday's Asian session, I would actually be interested in a short here, bringing price finally into the 126.21 area. And even if the 128.13-15 level would would be violated on the upside, we would anyway see price moving into the 126.20, because that's the next. It's acting now as an attraction price here, because we won't see big participation in this area here below 127.40 to 126.20. So price eventually will get there. We just need to understand how it's going to get there and limit our losses and choose the stop in the right way. But I believe it's only a matter of time before price will actually get to 126.20. Once there, as you know, I believe this is going to be the area where we should find participation. I'm saying this now for months, and you can watch my other videos I have on the blog, and in this area we should see big participation on the weekly time and monthly time frame from the smart money, from the big guys, and we should see resume movement higher. And this is not going to be euro strength, it's going to be dollar weakness, so we're going to trade dollar weakness. We will see, price will tell. I believe we are getting to 26.20, just a matter of when and how we are getting there. We could get a reaction high to 127.90 and then a move lower into 126.20. We will see. I hope this video is useful to your trading. If you I'm going to send a trading plan again this weekend on the euro, so if you want to receive this information along with a review of the dollar index and my Fibstalker view on currencies, in which I review 4 currencies pair, you can go to my website and subscribe for the newsletter. It's free, and you get a lot of other content like articles on my method, articles on trading programs, and high frequency trading, and that's the way I get my trading edge. Signing off, wish you a very good day, and see you soon. Bye bye.